Looking out for foreground items that are framing other subjects in your image makes for really compelling feeling compositions. What I really like about this image is the way that these two diagonals on this tree in our foreground are really similar to the diagonal of this tree just further behind it. These diagonal lines I think are really eye-catching, particularly since there's three of them and one of them is through this fork that this tree in the foreground is creating. I think it makes for a really interesting feeling composition, and it starts to make sense of a frame that is otherwise quite tangled and has lines going all over the place. And there's a nice sense of depth because this line in the middle, this tree in the middle, is through this kind of fork. I also really like the light here. I like how these colours on the top I like, and the way that the light's hitting right on the top and then falling off on the underside I think looks nice.